This is Wilnate 35, and this is the ST model Blaze. Why don't we go look at the dimensions of this plane before we open it, because this is an unboxing, so we kind of want to know these type of things. Okay, so obviously we're going to be using a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter on this. The wingspan is 1560 millimeters or 61.42 inches. The length of the plane is 1010 millimeters or 39.76 inches. The wing area, well, you can see that. I really don't know how to read that, but anyhow, takeoff weight says 900 grams or 31.8 ounce. So without further ado here, let's go ahead and open up the box. Alright, so I've gone ahead and opened the lid on the box, and let's look inside. Looks like everything looks very neatly packed. From what I'm seeing right now, I can't imagine there'd be any damage on this thing, but let's start looking at it. The first thing I'm going to take out is this big gigantic sheet of decals. Let's see if we can spread this thing out here. It's probably going to take me longer to put these decals on this plane than it is to build it, so quite a lot of decals on this thing. Alright, put that on the side, and let's look inside here. Here's the manual, as you can see, and let's look at this box here. Alright, so fuselage, wings, everything seems to be in shape here, so let me go ahead and take out these parts so I can show them to you. Okay, so the first thing I took off basically was this little box that was basically glued on to the side here. And basically what it has is the propeller, I believe. No, I'm sorry, these are all the little plastic pieces, I think, for the V-wing. Let's see what else. And here is this foam spinner. Foam spinner and some wooden parts here. I'm not sure what everything is, but that's that, and that's it. That's all that was in there. So let's take out the rest of the stuff. Okay, first thing I've taken out here obviously are the main wings. Here they are. Very plain white, and until you put on the stickers, this thing is going to be pretty plain. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is put the stickers on and then build it afterwards. So let's go check out the other pieces. Okay, so here is the V-tail. As you can see, the servos are already on there, ready to be installed. Well, actually they're already installed, but they're just ready to be put on the fuselage so we can make this puppy fly. So that's that. Okay, here's the fuselage. So you can see the propeller and spinner are already on this, so I'm not sure what the foam one was for. So that's kind of weird, but anyhow, this thing is so securely packed in there that I really just had to tear the box apart and get the pieces out. I didn't want to accidentally damage anything, so I went ahead and just tore right into it. So, you know, I think it's the best way to go. And here is the last piece. I think this is the part you would put, I believe, where the wings join together, but I'm not sure until I put this thing together. But that's pretty much it. Nothing else in the box. That is the ST model Blaze. I can't wait to fly this and put it together. I just can't wait. So maybe I'll do another video after the build is done and show you what it looks like. But until then, Wilnate 35 signing out.